Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting immediate access to the controller menu. Power on the console and pair the controller. Press the Xbox button to open the guide, then go to Profile and System and open Settings. Once in Settings, choose Devices and Connections and select Accessories so you can configure your controller. This step matters because the color option is in the accessory profile. Without opening the right menu, you can't reach the color customization controls. Move now. Don't linger on other menus. You now choose the controller entry and press Configure, then create a new profile or edit an existing one. Scroll through the configuration tabs until you reach lighting or LED settings. There you'll find color choices and brightness controls. Pick a preset for speed, or open the custom color wheel to set an exact hue, then adjust intensity and effects like breathing or steady. This middle step is where you translate preference into visible color, so take time to test variants and save when satisfied. You finish by saving the profile and assigning it to the controller, then exit to the home screen and test the new color in menus and gameplay. Make sure the profile is active. If the color does not appear, switch profiles and test again. If problems persist, update controller firmware, repair the controller, or restart the console. These fixes resolve most LED issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if updates are current and repairing fails, try a wired connection to rule out wireless pairing faults.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.